Welcome back, everybody. It's time to look for new positions and track some more transactions, so let's get right to it. All right, here we are on the web application MyATMM.com, and I wanted to share a new feature that we had recently added to the application. Over here on covered calls and cash secured puts screen, we added the ability to filter down to Dividend Kings, Aristocrats, Champions, or Contenders. So we have those four groups of dividend tickers that you can now actually just filter down by. So this is currently showing a list of like 719 stocks in here. And if we wanted to filter down to just those four groups of dividends, you would just toggle that on. And you'll also notice that this new column appeared. So let me just uncheck that. You can see how the category column disappears when you do that. And when you click it back, it reappears. And you also notice that it went down to 92 records from 719. So it definitely filtered down the list to just those. And so now you can see Contenders, Kings, Aristocrats, and just focus on just those four groups of dividend paying stocks if you wanted to while you're doing your searches here in the covered call screen, cash your put screens, looking for a new position to get into. In addition to adding that here on the covered call screen, we also added it to the option search screen. So it also has this Kings toggle on it. And again, the category column appears when you do that, when you trigger that. So you can see it here as well. And we also added it on the trends search page. So you can also filter down to that and get the category column as well there when you're looking through these. So anyway, if you were focusing on dividend paying stocks to run different strategies on, this makes it very nice and easy to group those, and also you can tell which group of dividend paying stocks they do belong to. So anyway, yep, just wanted to share that. I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out today to myatmm.com and get your free account so you can start tracking your own transactions. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.